right, it is Monday, the 16th of March, and over the last day and a half we have had a tremendous storm. This will be the third time I am plowing. Let's get this open. All right, fire up the machine, get the plow raised. Let's get it in four-wheel drive. There. Wow. All right. Looks like about another foot of snow in front of us here. Yep. That is one. It's over the top of the plow right now. Well, we'll see how this goes. I'm glad I'm doing it now. We're supposed to get another 3 to 4 inches. No traffic coming. All right. There we go. Push that into the over there. Wow. This is one heck of a lot of snow. You can see it here as we I am so glad I'm not doing this with snow blowers and shovels. I can't imagine what that would be like. Holy smokes. And there's a layer of wet underneath too that just, wow. Okay, now we have a little bit of width here at least to work with. This storm started with sleet and rain, and yesterday when I plowed, it was like this layer of water. That was something else. You can kind of see it in the other banks that I made. We'll keep going here. We will turn around and make another run this way. Well, we're working now in front of the driveway doors, so got to be a little careful there backing up. Let's try and get this cleaned up. Glad I'm doing this now, because we're supposed to get another 4 to 6 inches, and I think with that much more, it's going to make it so much easier for cleanup. Getting this taken care of now. There we go. Whew. Okay, let's get our windshield wiper working. We'll get the defroster on. There we go. Sure is nice having HVAC. Okay. Let's turn the plow that way a little bit. Plow down. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to pull up here straight ahead so you can see just how big these banks are. We're just about finished here cleaning up the driveway, but it's as tall as my head right here coming up to it. You can see that. Wow. All right, well, enough for now. We'll have to come out a little bit later. Thanks for coming along and doing a little plowing, which is crazy. It's the middle of March. I usually started practicing baseball in high school. Get outside with the glove. Not today.